It can happen anywhere, at any time.
Hold on, Justin. I'm gonna get them first.
Your favorite official surprises. Your family is here.
Oh boy, no pants. Oh boy. How about it's opened? You got new pair on.
You would open it before Christmas.
No boot. My new boot.
Here, sis.
Oh no.
Kara.
Bye.
Kara. Open your presents. Dylan. Here.
That's another that big box. That's going to be by her toy. By her.
Open up your boxes, Kara.
Open up
Here. These yours. Open all of them up.
What you got?
Pony. A pony.
Open it. Let me see.
How you know it's a pony?
Is that from Alonzo? Aww.
That's
Let me see.
mine.
Let me see. Show it to Mama. Aww. Dylan, let me see your boots. We got some more clothes.
Kara,
Wow.
go open up your presents.
I got button clothes.
Buttload of clothes? Is that what you just said?
I got multiple.
What he get, Daddy?
Transformers.
Don't know yet.
No, over there.
A pony.
Not another pony. Surely not.
Yes, it is.
What do you got?
Transformer. I got Transformer. And
Yeah.
a Lucky too.
What do you got? Show it to Mama. Oh boy. You're on a roll now. Dylan, open your other presents first. That's from Santa Claus. Wonder what he brought you.
Zazo.
What did he bring you? Transformer?
Side spot.
What did he bring you, Kira?
Pokemon.
Cool.
Look at there, Nana.
That's
She's
from-
got a brand new
That's
pair
from
of boots.
Chris. Wouldn't you get boots, Kira?
Yeah.
What'd you get? What? That's from Dylan, Chris.
Vintage. Vintage.
That's from Kira. Kira picked that out for you.
We're here.
Yeah.
Vintage.
And show you.
Pokemon's from Chris and Bear Ted is from Kira.
Pony. I got that for Chris. I need a pony. I want some more presents.
Yeah.
Is that what Santa brought you?
What?
Let me see, Kira. What Santa bring you?
Can I
You already
unwrap?
opened all yours?
Yeah.
Gather up all your paper.
Yeah, well, Sis ain't opened all of hers yet. Come on, Sis.
Dylan, open your bag.
What?
Open your bag.
Oh, tiny.
Who's that?
Oh, tiny.
Who is it?
Tiny.
Tiny.
Duck.
That ain't
Frog.
Tiny. Who is that?
I got a duck and a frog. I got that for you. A duck and a frog. Ooh.
Well, here, Sis.
Pajamas. Pajamas. Transformer pajamas. Transformer.
What else is in there?
Flashlight.
Flashlight. Ooh, hey, look at those clothes. He's like, yeah, whatever. Next.
You wanna go
You
get
woke me up for
my glasses so I
this.
can see?
Hey, guys, look!
got you that.
What's that?
I don't want touching it.
Now here, sis.
Kira, what you got in there?
Read it.
Oh, it's Kitty.
I didn't get that.
Here.
Who got that for her?
For a tall, Stacy garment, it should fit snugly. This garment's not
That is what Nana's reading.
Loose lifted garment.
Hey, you missed the one, Kira. No, you're missing
Can I
one.
open the boxes now?
Kira, look, it's right there.
That one's Claude's.
Claude, you're sitting. Claude, get up. Get up.
You're sitting on one.
Claude, get up.
You're sitting on
You're
one.
on a present.
Right there. Kira.
Oh,
Kira.
Kick it further on the...
that's there.
Dylan,
Open it
get
up.
up all the paper,
Dylan,
baby.
we'll open your presents up this way.
Kira, open your
Yeah.
present.
You ain't opened that one
Get
yet.
all your paper.
That's
that
from
way you
Baby
can
Brother.
toys.
What do you got, baby? What do you got?
Oh, here.
Oh.
Put them over there. Like fireplace. We'll burn it.
Yeah, Tinker too.
There's more presents out here to open.
What you got, Kira?
Pikachu, Pikachu.
Did Chris get you a Pikachu?
Yeah.
Oh, golly.
What Daddy's opening his? Oh boy, got some nice socks.
What do you got?
He needed some of those.
Thank y'all.
I got that for you.
You got that for me? Well, thank you.
Dylan, give it to Claude. It's kind of his.
That.
Give it to him.
Well, he can open it for me.
Well, I figured.
He's helping Claude Daddy.
That's what I'm saying. You can open that part.
New pants.
Looky there.
I got you that.
You got any
got me that
pants?
shirt? Well, thank you.
I was gonna say, Dylan, you picked out something else, not pants.
That was a shirt. I got.
Oh.
What'd you get there, little man? Is that from Kira?
Yeah.
All right, Nana, open yours.
Nana, open yours. I want to open this one.
Dylan. Yeah.
Oh, I needed some panties, too.
Oh, I needed this.
You got some hair things?
Speed Racer. Speed
Are you
Racer.
even looking at it, or are you just pulling it
That's
out?
Speed Racer Twister.
So
Yeah,
did
but
Kira.
what is it, though?
It's to go on your fish pole. One of them's Kira's. Ooh, Pokemon.
Starscream.
What's she got?
Bumblebee. What else?
Keep pulling them out, Kira. You got more stuff in there, sweetie.
Oh,
I can
yeah,
see
I
it.
got some socks, too.
And I needed some socks for stink feet.
And Megatron.
Keep going. There's something else in there. I think I hear it.
Daddy has it.
No, there's something else in there.
Look.
Hear it?
Get,
Oh,
Nana, give it time.
Dylan.
I have
Big
all
bag.
of these.
I fell out too.
I like this game.
What is it?
You have this game too, and me.
I don't have that game. What game is it?
I don't know. I can't get
How you like it if you don't know what it is?
Look at all the Transformers I have. See what my little man's doing. I can't get out.
Playing with a Maui.
Pokemon cards.
What did Santa Claus bring you? Huh?
You done many watching.
Kira.
To watch her little
Hey,
man.
Here.
I
What else do you got in there, girlie?
What's your Claude Daddy?
Oh,
And he got
come
some
get it, open
tippy
yours.
cups, too.
What all you got in that?
Socks.
Oh, she got some Dora underwear, Nana.
Did she?
Oh, you got a lot of things to put in your hair, don't you? What else? Oh, you got Kitty. Ooh, you got all kinds of pretty bows.
Look at Jesse's mask.
Mm-hmm.
Your mask.
And?
How come I didn't get a mask? How come I didn't get a mask?
Ooh, Daddy's gonna open his present.
Maybe you weren't that good.
I got you that pencil.
I know you did. You told me already.
Yeah.
I want to play this.
You got a lot of bows.
Wait a second. Go ahead, Daddy.
Go ahead, pick up the paper.
Oh, Bubba got some little gloves too.
I got games.
Yeah.
Those are supposed to be socks.
Those down there? That looks like gloves to
Look
me.
at Sissy, Mama. She ain't wanting that.
Hey, pick up the paper.
I missed.
What do you got? Open it
Let
up.
him enjoy it. I'll take care of the paper.
Tennis shoes.
Tennis
And I
shoes.
got a new toothbrush.
What all did you get over there?
New socks and undies.
Underwear? Okay.
Mama, I got a crooked toothbrush.
A crooked toothbrush.
Mm-hmm.
Golly.
Back butt in the way.
This girl is afraid of Lonzo.
What could that be?
Oh no. What happened?
Looks like Claudette's afraid of one.
I'm recording you.
Oh, that makes better sense. Oh, it's a book.
Look at that, Sugar Booger. Right into it.
Big book. Oh, it's multiple books.
One big old book.
Smart. My friend Madison reads these books.
I know why to change Alyssa's diaper.
They're good books.
I know. She told me.
I run a fan site for those books.
Don't be showing nobody my books.
I already own them all. You just got 3 of the 6 that are out.
Oh, whoa.
Come on, keep going.
Think of that Lonzo.
Oh, these little socks. I'm about to. But every one of them would be kind of mad if they're not my socks.
I got the boxes with the hole in the butt for easy access there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got
Is that the right kind?
That's my paper to eat.
Is that the right kind? Is that the right kind of socks? Ankle socks?
I
Okay.
didn't get the ones of that.
Oh, the road.
No, Kira did, I think.
I got you that.
Oh, the road.
That's what Dylan got you.
We gotta get some back.
Well, one of them got you.
Oh yeah.
They didn't have pink, but I got you red.
Alonzo,
It's all good. So,
Alonzo,
I'm
I got you that.
Oh, good.
Damn, that creep.
It's a movie. It's a movie.
It's a multicolored wrapping paper.
I don't even want to open that. Look at that. I don't even want to. Dear Tinkerbell.
It's an
It's a movie. Is it Twilight?
We were closing the last time we were there.
If I can open the freaking thing.
Come on, the multicolored paper.
It's in pictures.
That was about a month ago.
It's very secure.
DVD.
I
Yeah.
had one down. Monday.
You can't know what movie it is.
Alonzo's on the front cover.
Maybe Walmart will
Yeah.
take it down the road.
What else did he get?
Ain't none of your business. Shit.
That's it.
Paper.
Alonzo, you got a note in your shoe.
Dylan, okay, so that was. God, you got me a huge stocking. Thing is ginormous.
Might be on sale.
Take that note out first.
I'm taking that note out.
The note is called
Alright, Alonzo James Brennan.
And Linda.
something that you'll be needing to get your driver's license.
Alonzo, you just stepped on my
It's your birth certificate, dude.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I knew that.
Yeah.
Well, Alonzo, we figured you were going to get a job here pretty soon. Your license, you're going to need that shit.
Get on top of me.
Good.
Listen, on you have a social security card too?
No, Brendan has that.
You guys got that.
Dude, I got a towel.
That's from your grandma. Grandma roller.
No, Grandma Boykin.
You're my
Grandma Boykin?
rollerblading. Get it?
I think it's your Aunt Kim. Yeah, Justin's mom says you give it to you. That's it. Now the Xbox thing, you'll have to pick out yourself.
That match, you think?
We did over a milk.
Okay, now you can pick up your mask.
Ah.